Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain how you search your file in project panel. Here, click on the tilde icon to maximize this window. The tilde icon is a tilde button is a button below the escape in your keyboard. And we have a lot of file on those folder, and I want to search. We have two methods for search in a search box here. You can search by name, for example, every file that has a file name D or transition, you can search it. Or you can search by elements. We have 4 elements, for example, most important element in a Premiere: video, sound, sequence, and image. If you type image, the software will find all images for you. Does not search by name. It search by a component, by, for example, element. It means image element, all of the image sequence. Or you can type sound. As you can sound. Sorry, it will find you all the sound in your project. Or you can type video. Why does it? And it's find all kind of video and GIF for you in your project. Okay. Or if you want to search sequence, you can and find the sequence for you. Okay. So we have two mode for our searching: search by name, search by element, sound, video. In the next of the text box, we have a button called search bin query. It is exactly search, but we have more complex things here. Here you can search exactly in this box. You can search images. You can search images and hit OK. Be sure that you are all metadata. You can select a specific things, but be sure that you all in metadata to search everything for you. And just in this box, we search image, and as you can see, it search for us and make a bin folder and save all of those images that it find for us and put it in one folder for us here. All metadata images. It find in here. All of our images are in its position, it's a folder, but they copy copy them here and put it here. If you delete that folder, nothing happened. Don't worry about your file. Go again. For example, I want to search images, or you can select and for example, I want to explain and. If you add metadata X, it's searched by name, and C. It means please search the file that contained X and C in the C in its name, because it is and, it means both X and C has to be in a name. Both of them has to be. Hit OK, and as you can see, it's find all metadata with that properties. Delete that. Or you can select it, or for example, very complex X1. It's better that I choose the specific metadata. For example, because I'm searching in a file name, you can search file name, and X and C. Hit OK. As you can see, we have more restrict for our searching. And here it's a file name X and C. It means at the same time it has to be X and C in the name to find that. But if you search X and C, for example, in its file name, you can search a specific metadata in the file name, or it means it does not important that at the same time both of them as a name, X or C, and it find more file for us. Okay, this is difference between and or here. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.